color Converse do I have?
So, when are we gonna move? You guys go. Dude, it's so black and blue. All you can see is flashlights. All you can see is flashlights. But that's scary. That's scary.
Alright, let's go.
Hold on. Dude,
No, I do not know where
scary.
we're going.
Scary.
Oh wait, did I put the difficulty on Nightmare?
Probably.
I think I forgot to.
Danny. What map have
What?
you played on? What maps have you played on?
All of them, but this one.
I haven't played on this one. Javi, where you at? It's still pitch black here. Where'd Danny go? Where'd Dan- Oh. It's pitch black in here without a flashlight.
Alright, don't get lost by yourself, man. Alright, no. Follow me, follow me.
Dude, this is scary. Dude, my flashlight's off. The only thing you can see is Isn't Slenderman without the flashlight you can still see?
Yeah, because he has a black suit on.
Who becomes the monster?
I don't know.
You're a
Wait,
monster right now?
yourself. Yourself does when at the end. Eat it. Oh, you might find one right here.
Javi, am I running away from you? Run!
Not a tape right here. Oh, I found one.
Wait, what does the tape look like? What does the tape look like?
Don't take you out, I'm gonna take you out.
That kind of scared me. That kind of scared me for a minute. Javi, are you playing with it up? The volume up?
Oh freak, don't walk into that green thing. You'll die.
The shades and winter yesterday, the sunlight hurts my eyes. Sunlight.
Running away. Javi, I ran away. I ran away from you, Javi.
Remember yourself, you'll die. Is this something about being alone?
Hey, stop, Danny, stop. Stop, hard, Danny, Javi. Oh, Jesus, what was that?
In here. Gavin.
Javi, we're at
Dang,
cabin.
this kid's freaking KD is 0.4.
That's horrible.
Holy crap.
That's just, is it .004?
No, point zero. Wait, hold on.
Dang, there's nothing in the cabin.
Oh, crap.
Oh, there's another one.
.40. .40.
Dang.
Oh yeah, there's one in here.
10 prestige. What the freak? Why are these kids still playing?
Honestly, 10 procedure, she's like, get off.
Dude, it's like they beat the game. What more do they want?
They're pretty slow. Run, Javi. Danny, I forgot, you're gonna scare us at one point. You're gonna scare us at one point. Well, how do you know when your flashlight's gonna die?
It just gets darker. Oh god! Oh freaking! Holy crap! The monster's right there. Holy crap!
Oh!
Oh my god! He's right there. Holy crap!
Dude, that looks like Slenderman. That looks like Slenderman. Dude, that looks like Slenderman. Dude, that looks like Slenderman. Oh my god!
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
It looks like Slenderman. It looks like Slenderman. Where you guys go? Where you guys go?
Where you guys go? Where you guys going?
Where you guys go? Where you guys go?
Come over here. Come over
These are
here.
freaking out.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, you scared me.
These are freaking out, dude.
You guys follow me? Okay.
Oh my god, that monster was scary though. That monster was scary. Danny, go the monster right there. What happens when the monster gets you?
Just dying and watch you turn into like a ghost.
And we just watch.
Oh god, oh my god! Holy crap, oh my god.
What?
Dude, oh my, dude, he was just across from me to the left and now he's right behind me. Holy crap. Oh my god, keep on going, keep on going.
Dude, we can't lose each other, that's
What
scary.
the freak, dude?
We're all walking in a single line,
We're
Javi.
over here. Oh well. Oh my god!
Oh, Javi.
Holy
Oh
crap.
Is he behind us? Javi, if you look back, Javi, I'll look back. If you look back, Javi, I'll look back. I gotta take a pee so bad. I was going.
I was walked around the whole map, I don't know. Oh my god, he's right behind me. Dude, he's right there.
Me and Javi ain't even looking. Danny's the only one that's looking. Javi.
He's already over here, we need to find another way.
Fuck.
Where's he?
Oh my,
Pissing me off.
he just spawned right there, dude.
I'm gonna pee so bad. What happens when you find all 8 tapes?
So look for them.
Following Danny. Bah! Dude, my flashlight's flickering. My flashlight's flickering.
This was mine.
Why is that?
Get on.
Danny's behind us. Javi, look behind us really quick. Just look behind us. Behind us, Javi, look behind us.
Oh my god, weren't we just over here? Oh, he's not behind. Oh my god! Holy crap!
I ain't looking anywhere. I'm just following Danny.
Dude, he's already over here. Keep on,
I don't want to look anywhere.
keep on going the same way.
This shuttle's huge, honestly.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, this was mine, dude.
Oh my god, Danny. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, dude. What the freak? Jesus Christ. Why the freak do Tetris Eaters want to play anymore, dude? God.
Oh my god, dude, holy crap.
This is hate.
Oh my god, dude. This is. Oh my god. I'm dashboarding.
What happens if you turn off your flashlight? What happens if
Nothing harder, I guess.
I'm selling ghosts. Fuck ghosts, dude. Oh my god. All that player freaking news. Straight up.
Javi, are you still behind us?
Dude, where's the freaking tape at? I'm going in circles. Go this way.
Javi, where are you?
Oh no, it's just a rock.
No, I'm scared.
Oh my god, don't! I can't go, he's right in front of me.
Daddy, come to me!
No. Behind the tree.
Oh my god, Danny.
No, he's still not gone.
Oh my Jesus! Dude. Oh,
Alright, he's
oh god, oh god. Don't scare me, Javi. You scare me, I will literally run off. I gotta take a pee so bad and eat. The soul getting cold. Following Danny, I ain't
hear them. Oh my!
Where was he? Where was he? Tell me where he was. Oh my god.
Dude, we still got the other side. Oh my god.
Oh, my flashlight's like flickering again, dark.
Yeah, mine's way bad. I can barely see with it. Holy crap, he's right there.
Dude,
To my left.
Dude. No, I just saw it too. I saw it too. That hits off our lights and hides from Bobby. No, I'm just kidding.
This is him right here. This is the white noise monster, but in stone. Yes.
Javi, we should just die. I want to die. I have to go take a pee. I might leave and go take a pee.
Oh my god, he's right there. He's right there. Holy crap.
I might literally just leave and go pee. Dude, my flashlight's getting horrible. Is that Adam?
Oh my god, why did
oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, 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 oh my god!
That's scary. Dude. Oh crap, Javi's a ghost. Javi, follow us. Follow us.
Where is he?
Oh my god! Oh, holy crap, dude.
That's your body in stone, Javi?
Dude, he's right there, holy crap.
Oh my god, oh my god!
He's right there! He's right there!
I died! Where are you? Oh, Javi, hi!
I found a tape.
Oh, where's he? Is he leave? Oh my god. I didn't hear him. Dude, Javi, I looked right behind me. Javi, I looked right behind me. Bam, he was right there. Yes! Dude,
he was right behind me and I turned and I could hear the noise.
Did you see me die? I'm gonna laugh when he like spawns right next to Danny. We're just sitting here. It's actually pretty better being a ghost. You can see things better.
Yeah.
We're still walking with our flashlights.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Right where? I don't see him.
You can't because you guys are dead.
Hey, Javi, look, we're still holding our flashlights.
Found another one,
Javi. Javi, look. Look at me. We're holding our flashlights.
He's really mad, dude. He's really mad. I found 4 tapes.
Isn't it in Slender? If you find the notes, it gets easier to find you, technically. It's like not mad or anything. Is that his hand? Jesus, that's huge. Bye, Javi.
Dude, I can hear him. He's like like freaking hungry. He's hungry.
He killed me and Javi.
Still hungry, man.
Oh, there's a tape. Nah. Javi, we should like go our own ways. We should go our own ways until we find tape. Hey, let's go. Me and Javi are gonna split up.
Dude, it's making weird noises.
Something like. Javi, we should like split up and go find tape.
Oh my god, he's right there! Oh my god!
Me and Javi don't see crap. Me and Javi are like, Javi, me and you are just chilling. We don't see anything.
Dude, I need 3 more tapes.
Are you guys ditching me?
But I can hear him making some noises like he's hungry. Why are you still holding a flashlight?
We don't know.
dark. Where? Oh, right here. No, that was the other one. Yeah, this is a different one.
There are no things. There's nothing on
There's
things on them.
nothing on them. I think it says tape 6 is over here. Never mind.
Oh my god.
That's the green trap. Oh, dark.
Javi, I can see through your body.
It's right here. Sort of scary.
There has to be a tape around here somewhere.
Come on.
We're just following Danny wherever we go. Danny, you walked through me. Boy, I'm relieved.
My flashlight's almost dead.
I'm gonna laugh when it just like dies on you and you get so lost. Well, we'll guide you, Danny. We'll guide you. Huh? We'll guide him.
He just like teleported to the right of me and then left.
Javi, we're gonna
Oh my
guide
god,
Danny.
he went in front of me. Never mind, he's in front of me.
Can't see crap, so we're good.
Oh my god! Dude, he's fishing right there! Oh my god, I'm out of here, I'm out of here. Out of here, out of here, out of here, out of here, out of here.
We don't need to worry, Javi. If we get lost, we'll just walk around and find Danny.
What's he doing?
Where is he? Am I looking at him? Danny, am I looking at him?
Oh no, never mind, he's behind the rock now. Oh my god, no, now he's to the right of me. He really doesn't want us to solve his crime. Yeah, they came to try to solve a mystery. Oh, no! How'd he get me? How'd he get me? I wasn't even looking at him, he just freaking turned me around.
That was sick, Danny. The way you died was sick. I'm like, what happened? Did he win? Did we win?
Oh, Jesus.
Danny found all 5.
Wait, how did you do
I walked
more
the most.
distance?
I don't know. I scared the most.
We all are the same. Alright, watch. Let's watch 3 plays. I see how many times we walked in circles.
Found one right there.
No, it's
right
a
here.
puzzle. There you go. There's
Now we
one.
all walked in circles right there. Are those exclamation points where we saw him?
A puzzle. Yeah. Scream, scream. Scream. Scream.
Wait, does it
Oh my
like
god,
hear our
scream.
scream?
Dude,
he
walks
hear
in
our scream?
somewhere. Oh my god.
Did it hear
Dude,
us?
how
It kind of...
And then that's when we find the tunnel.
Wait, how does it count our
Yeah,
scream?
right here. Right there.
That's where Javi died. That's where Javi died. Me and Javi died right there, I think.
2 puzzles.
Yeah.
We go next, and last puzzle. We still have one side to check.
It was the corners. Oh my god, that was pretty funny. Does it count our screams? That was pretty scary.
Yeah. Oh, that was
Oh,
scary.
no, don't start. Let me go take a pee. I have to go take a pee. Don't start. I have to go take a pee.
Let's